Today, we're going to go over the new version of the Follow-Up Boss widget on IDXAddons. This is a great tool that lets you create saved searches for your leads, view their saved searches and properties, without ever leaving Follow-Up Boss. Let's jump into the video and I'll show you how to set it up. The first thing we're going to do is go to Follow-Up Boss and then click on Admin at the top. Next, go to More and you should see an option called API. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're on this page, click on Create API Key. It will ask you to name it, so let's call it Demo App V2, and then click on Create API Key. Now click on Copy and make sure to save it before closing the pop-up. This is the only time the key will be shown. Next, let's head over to IDXAddons. Under Dashboard, click on Apps. Look for Follow-Up Boss, and it should appear there. Paste the API key we just copied and click on Save. After you save, you'll see a few options. For this video, we're going to focus on the FUB integration app. It will give you a link, copy that link, and go back to Follow-Up Boss. Now under Admin, look for Integrations. Scroll down to Embedded Apps, and you'll see an option to create a new embedded app. Click on that. It will ask you to name it, so let's call it IDX Broker, and click on Next. You should now be on a page that looks like this. Scroll down to the URL section and paste the link we copied from IDXAddons. Finally, select Agree and click on Save App. Once you click Save, we still need to enable the app. Click on the app name, in this case, IDX Broker, and then click on Enable. Click Enable one more time to confirm. Now let's see how this app works inside a leads profile. Click on People to view all your leads and select one of them. After a few seconds, the app will load on the right side of the page. Here, you'll be able to view the leads' activity, their saved properties and searches, and you'll also be able to create new saved searches for them. In the Client Activity card, you'll see their activity over the last 7 days on IDX pages, such as viewed properties, property searches, and more. In the Saved Properties card, you'll see all the properties the lead has previously saved. You can open any property and view the full details in a new tab. In the Saved Searches card, you'll see their saved searches along with details such as city, county, or zip code, number of beds and baths, price range, and more. There's also a link you can open in a new tab to view all the properties currently matching their saved search. Next is the Search Listings card, where you can create saved searches for your lead. You can type a city, county, or zip code within your MLS and apply filters such as property type, price range, beds, and baths. You can also add advanced fields, like garage spaces or number of stories, depending on your MLS's available fields. After applying filters, you can view the matching properties on a map and save the search so your lead starts receiving daily email updates. Their new saved search will appear in the Saved Searches section. You can also refine a search by drawing a custom polygon to limit the area. With this tool, you can apply filters and save the search, all from within the app. Finally, if a lead hasn't been added to your IDX Broker account yet, you can create their lead profile by clicking the Create Lead button. Wait a few seconds while the account is created, and then you'll have full access to all the features, including creating saved searches directly from Follow-Up Boss. As you can see, this app is incredibly powerful. And the best part is, you can get it for free when you use RealtyCandy as your developer partner with IDX Broker. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials on IDXAddons. See you in the next video.